This is my 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander, and of course it's going to be on a Sunday when the car is filthy that I realize that my daytime running lights aren't working. As you can see, they're out. So we're going to put some new light bulbs in there, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The bulb size that you will need is the 1156 bulb. These are probably one of the least expensive bulbs that you can get for a car. I think these two bulbs were $3. This model has the projection lights. The daytime running lamp is this inner light here. That's the headlight, the running light, and that's the parking lamp. So that's the one you need to replace. So we're going to look into the hood and I'll show you how to get it out. Okay, so now we're looking at the inside of the car. This is where your projection light is. This here, right there, that is your running light. This whole disc here, you'll see that needs to turn to get the light out. So you're going to turn it counterclockwise. It's going to be about a quarter turn. It'll click. Now this whole big plate comes out like this. This will now let you get at the bulb itself, which is over there. Now on the bulb, I need to turn that a quarter turn counterclockwise and then wiggle it out slowly, and then there's your bulb. Now looking at this bulb, the filament still looks okay, but clearly it's burned out. You got that big blackened spot there. Thing to note about these bulbs, if you're not somebody who's done a lot of bulb changes, you'll see that there's the two raised posts on these bulbs. So the 1156 bulb has the posts on the same level. The 1157 has them offset. So if you've got one post at a different height than the other, and you've got two filaments in here, you've got the wrong bulb. This is the one that you want. So similarly, you'll see that in this socket, there's the offset there and there, and that's for that pin. So you just are going to slide it in there, and then you can see in here how the groove goes down and then to the side. So you're going to put your bulb in and then turn it clockwise a little bit to snap it into place. Once you've done that, you can see it snapped in place. Check your O-ring to make sure this O-ring is still in good condition. If not, it'll need to be replaced. And then you're just going to reverse the procedure. You will see that on here you've got these little raised pieces here that are different sizes, and that's just so that you put the bulb in the right way. The widest one goes down to the bottom. The widest one here goes down to the bottom. Once it's in place, you just turn it clockwise until it clicks in place, and now you want to put the dust cover back on too. All done. Now we'll go to the other side and we'll repeat the process there. There we have it. The daytime running lights are working again. It's a real simple job. Only takes a couple of minutes. So don't pay a shop to do it for you. Anybody can do this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.